The compact SUV segment is currently the hottest segment in the Indian car market. The Hyundai Venue is the hottest player there. Now the Venue comes back with an intelligent manual transmission. Here it is. Welcome to Motor World India as we find out everything on India's latest and India's first intelligent manual transmission. In terms of exteriors, the Venue IMT looks exactly like the other trims of the compact SUV. The one we are testing here is a top of the line sport trim. This trim comes with dual tone exterior color, sports emblem, red brake calipers, glossy black front grille with red insert, dark grey front bumper garnish and dark grey roof rail with red inserts. In terms of the interiors, the Venue IMT Sport gets D-cut flat bottom steering, metal pedals, dark grey premium fabric upholstery, red color accents on the knobs and red stitching piping on upholstery, door trim and the steering. You also get an electric sunroof on the package. You also get neat red inserts on all the four fenders and the running board. The Venue IMT Sport drives on 16-inch dual-tone diamond-cut alloys with 215/60 R16 MRF tires. As the name suggests, intelligent manual transmission, it has to be intelligent. So what this transmission does, let me show you. First of all, you don't have the clutch pedal, you have the normal gear shifter. Now, as we approach the speed breaker, we slow down, we shift to first. There is no clutch. I'm in first. Off we go. No clutch. Shift to second. Again no clutch. Speed is building up. Third. Now if I want to fool the gearbox, let's see if we can fool it. Driving in city speeds, second gear. As you can see, it is asking me to go to the third gear. Upshift. Third. It's telling me to go to fourth gear. What the transmission does, it senses, it monitors the engine RPM, the RPM of the engine and the throttle input. It balances and that's how the gear shifting is controlled. Now we are in the third gear. It is asking me to go to the fourth gear as per the speed and the engine RPM. Now into fourth. It says go to fifth. It's all ready to go to the fifth gear. We have a speed breaker. Slowing down. Fourth gear. Let's see what happens if the engine stalls. We are in the fourth gear. We are at what, 10 kilometers per hour. Okay, that's it. See, that's the beep. Shift again to first. The intelligence of the transmission tells us that we are in the fourth gear while the speed has to be of the first or second gear. It asks us, it forces us to go back to the first or second gear. The plus point of this intelligent gearbox is also that you won't have any engine stalling if you are in the wrong gear. What it will do is that it will give you a beep which tells you to go to the right gear. The other key highlight or intelligent factor of this gearbox is that you need not get your foot off the accelerator pedal while shifting gears. For example, now I am driving in the second gear and I need to shift to third. I am not getting my foot off, I go to third. That's it. I go to fourth. Third again. Second. Third. Neutral. Second. First. That's how it is. Speaking of overtaking, we are now following this truck. I want to overtake. I just shift down to the second gear and there we go. The 1 liter turbo GDI engine under the hood is just a 3-cylinder engine, but don't go by that disguise. It has loads of power under its belt. It does breakneck speed, and this IMT gearbox is perfectly balanced with the engine.
The Hyundai Venue has always been a very good car to drive. Its suspension has been tuned for Indian road conditions, and with the IMT gearbox on the highway, we are just loving it. We have taken it through bad patches, we have taken it to good roads, taken it right around 130, 140 speeds. We have driven in the city, but the car has behaved very well. The IMT gearbox is amazing. The IMT gearbox is very convenient and it is a pleasure to drive. You have the fun factor of shifting manually. encountering some little traffic out here, and we are still in the 4th gear, shifting to 3rd, going down to 2nd. Just note that I have not got my foot off the throttle. It is there always. I am just going through the gears. I am just shifting through the gears. Here it is. See, 3rd, 4th, 3rd, 4th, 3rd, 4th, 2nd. Nothing. This transmission is very intelligent. We are climbing a bridge. We are in traffic. We are in the 3rd gear. The car is behaving very well. The car is behaving at home.
Frankly, before I stepped into the car, I was a bit worried. I thought, will the car drive well? IMT transmission, what will happen? Will the car stall? How would I be able to drive it? But then everything is fine, everything is perfect, everything is smooth, everything is pure love. After having driven the IMT Venue since morning and spending considerable time behind the wheels, understanding the IMT intelligent transmission, I can tell you that I have fallen in love with this gearbox and I would like to own one.